Camera ground, this is 215's instructor. If possible, I'd like to come up to the tower with it's my students' first solo. If his parents could come up too, that'd be great.
That's 215, affirmative. Just come to the front door of the tower and we'll meet you down there.
Roger, 215.
Go right there?
Oh yeah, just pull off to the right.
Right here?
Why don't you swing like right in there? This is a helipad, so just I'm gonna come up right through here.
Okay.
And you just gonna stop right here is good.
Camarillo Tower, Bonanza 360 Bravo. Clear Bravo for the restaurant.
So you're securing the airplane checklist because you're gonna shut down for me, so I can get out.
You want to shut down?
Yeah.
60 Bravo, taxi to Foxtrot.
It's a 60 Bravo, thank you.
Turn fully off.
Alright, buddy. Make it happen.
Alright, we'll do. Just tell him base of the tower, taxiing for number 26.
Camera ground, Skyhawk 66215 is at the base of the tower, taxi to runway 26 with Papa.
So 66215, camera ground, runway 26, taxi via Foxtrot Alpha.
Taxi via Foxtrot Alpha to runway 26, 215. Clear right, clear left. I'm doing it.
Ground 6 Victor Cameo Tower, make straight in, runway 26, report 4 east at or above 1,500.
Port 4 east, at or above 1,500 for runway 26, surrender 26 Victor. Camera Tower, Skyhawk 66215 is holding short runway 26, ready for takeoff.
Skyhawk 66215 Cameo Tower, traffic on the runway Dimestar is also left traffic, follow Dimestar, runway 26, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 26, we'll follow traffic.
Cessna 777, runway 26, cleared for the option.
26 for the option, 777.
Centurion 26 Victor, you're following Cessna south of being the 26 numbers, number 2, runway 26, clear to land.
26 Victor, looking for the traffic, cleared to land.
Centurion 26 Victor, you traffic 1 o'clock, 3 miles eastbound, Cherokee,
Full power.
out of 2,800.
Instruments are in the green.
Victor, got him on the meter, but negative visual.
Airspeed's alive.
6 Victor, contact.
Or rotate. 60 and rotate. Iowa.
Centurion 26 Victor, traffic you're following is wing up left base.
26 Victor, looking.
Dimestar 1 Delta Sierra, you're following Centurion on a 4-mile final, advise inside.
Well looking. 1 Delta Sierra.
Victor, we're still negative on that traffic.
Centurion 26 Victor, your traffic's over abandoned portion, no factor. You're new number 2.
26 Victor, we got him now, thanks.
Dimestar 1 Delta Sierra, you're following a Centurion now on a 3-mile final, number 3, runway 26, cleared for the option.
Clear for the option on runway 26 as number 3, looking for traffic 1 Delta Sierra.
Cessna 215, do you still have that Diamond Star in sight?
Yes, I have Diamond Star in flight. 215.
Cessna 215, Paul Diamond Star, number 4, runway 26, cleared for the option.
Number 4, runway 26, cleared for the option. 215.
Cessna 777, is this full stop?
Yes, sir.
Cessna 777, good work. Contact ground point, good day.
Okay, have a good day, 777.
A little bit high here.
Camarillo Tower, helicopter 29er, Foxtrot X-ray.
Helicopter 29er, Foxtrot X-ray, Camarillo Tower.
We got Papa, we're at just in front of the restaurant. We'd like to depart north.
Helicopter 9er, Foxtrot X-ray, advise when you have a Diamond Star south of Beam the abandoned portion in sight and an additional Cessna south of Beam Tower in sight. They're both in left close traffic.
Okay, 29er, Foxtrot X-ray has high wing in sight, looking for the Diamond.
Diamond Star 1 Delta Sierra, I'll call your base, continue downwind.
Continuing downwind, 1 Delta Sierra.
Helicopter 9er, Foxtrot X-ray, you just want to proceed westbound over the 101?
We're departing, we'd like to go to the north, but we'll take west and go north later if you want me to.
Helicopter 9er, Foxtrot X-ray, departing from Transit Park in Beatrice, use caution. Cross runway 26 line over the abandoned portion, as requested at or below 500, wind 230 at 5.
Okay, crossing over 26 at the far east end, at or below 500 for 29er, Foxtrot X-ray.
Centurion 26 Victor, contact ground point 8. Diamond Star 1 Delta Sierra, base turn is approved.
Turning base, 1 Delta Sierra. Camarillo Tower, TV4, out of Knoxnar, like to send us from east 101.
TV4, Camarillo Tower, transition approved, altimeter 29er84, see altitude transitioning.
1,000 if possible.
TV4, report north of Beam the tower.
Report north of Beam the tower, TV4.
Helicopter 9er Foxtrot X-ray, just proceeding direct north.
That's affirmative for 9er Foxtrot X-ray. One 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. 4, we're good. Full power here. RPN in. We'll go 10 degree swaps. For 75.
Helicopter 9er Foxtrot X-ray, frequency change approved, good day.
Frequency change, thanks. Traffic. He's way right. Broadway.
Tower, Skyline 945 Jericho, going active in a minute.
Skyline 945 Jericho, Camarillo Tower, no traffic observed. Attention, all aircraft parachute jump activities are in effect, 5 miles northeast airport, at and below 8,000.
Oh, he landed way low. That was weird. One of these flaps. A little more right here. That was weird. Wait a little bit till we get 30 degrees. Or left aileron, right rudder. with 30 degrees flaps. Watch me slow. We're going to keep 70. A little more power because I'm aiming pretty low.
Wind 2405. TV4, are you going to proceed eastbound over the 101 freeway?
Yeah, we'll be a little bit more out to the northeast Santa Rosa Valley. Rudder here.
TV4, parachute jump activities are in effect 5 miles northeast airport, item below 8,000.
Alright, TV4, thank you.
Star 1 Delta Sierra, runway 26, clear for the option, traffic will depart for arrival.
Clear for the option on runway 26, 1 Delta Sierra.
Camarillo Tower, Centurion, Niner 767, X-ray number 2 for departure.
Cessna 215, turn left at Charlie, contact ground point 8.
Left at Charlie, contact ground, 215.
Cessna 65411, Camarillo Tower, right turn approved, runway 26, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 26, Cessna 411.
Centurion Niner 767, X-ray Camarillo Tower, taxi up to and hold short of runway 26.
Centurion 67, X-ray, hold short, 26.
Cherokee 71.
Camarillo ground, Skyhawk 66215 is off at Charlie with Quebec for runway 26.
Listen, 66215, Camarillo ground, runway 26, taxi via Hotel Alpha.
Taxi via Hotel Alpha, runway 26, 215. I'm flying by myself. That's a pretty good crosswind right there. 240 now. I think.
Hey, Camarillo ground, 11 X-ray question for you.
Number 11 X-ray, go ahead.
How old is this Air 7 FBO here?
November 11 X-ray, standby.
Just curious.
Camarillo Tower, Skyhawk 66215 is holding short runway 26, ready for takeoff.
Cessna 66205, Camarillo Tower, hold short of runway 26, landing departing traffic.
Holding short runway 26, 215.
Check 71 Lima, base turn is approved.
71 Lima, turn it. Camarillo Tower, Archer 3576 Juliet's ready in sequence on 26.
Cherokee 3576 Juliet, Camarillo Tower. You're number 3 for departure now.
76 Juliet.
Cessna 215, follow Diamond Star, midfield lifting, left close traffic, runway 26, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 26, we'll follow the Diamond Star.
And Cherokee 76 Juliet, you're number 4 for departure.
I got it, 76 Juliet's number 4.
Alright, let's line up on the center line. Ailerons into the wind. And full power. Instruments are in the green. Airspeed's alive.
Cessna 500 Golf Romeo, Cameron Tower, right turn approved, runway 26, clear for takeoff, traffic 1 mile final, Cherokee.
Cool. Cleared for takeoff, 4 Golf Romeo.
Cherokee 71 Lima, Cessna, taking the numbers now.
7 Lima, have one sight.
Dinosaur 1 Delta Sierra, I'll call your base for departures.
Standing by for you to call base 1 Delta Sierra. That's clear.
Summary to ground, Cessna 101 Kilo Alpha, hold show 26 at Alpha for right downwind departure.
Cessna 101 Kilo Alpha, Cameron Tower, hold short of runway 26, landing traffic.
Hold short runway 26, 101 Kilo Alpha.
Whew. Number 3, baby. Alright, we're already at altitude.
Cessna 215, that is when you have the Diamond Star at South of Main Tower inside.
I do have the Diamond Star, 215.
Just 215, follow Diamond Star, number 3, runway 26, clear for the option.
Clear for the option for number 3, runway 26, 215.
Cessna 4 Golf Romeo for flight following, contact Plymouth approach at 124.7, good day.
Oh, he's drifting.
Cessna 4 Golf Romeo for flight following, contact Plymouth approach 124.7.
4 Golf Romeo, thank you, sir.
Cherokee 71 Lima, turn left at Bravo, contact ground point 8, good day.
Good day.
Cessna 1 Kilo Alpha, right down departure approved, runway 26, clear for takeoff.
Number 26, clear for takeoff, 101 Kilo Alpha.
Diamond Star 1 Delta Sierra, base turn is approved, runway 26, clear for the option, traffic will depart prior to arrival.
Clear for the option on runway 26. Can we get a right downwind or left downwind departure on this next one, 1 Delta Sierra?
Diamond Star 1 Delta Sierra, after the option, make a right downwind departure, unable left downwind.
Right downwind departure after the option, 1 Delta Sierra.
Cherokee 76 Juliet, left close traffic approved, runway 26, clear for takeoff.
3576 Juliet, left traffic.
Diamond Star 1 Delta Sierra, Cherokee taking the numbers now.
1 Delta Sierra. Alright, he's passing beam. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. Let's go. Pull back 15. Harvey and 10 degree flaps. $75 here.
Cessna 1 Kilo Alpha for flight following, contact Plymouth approach 124.7, good day.
124.7 for flight following, 101, good day.
Watch that balloon. Left aileron. Right rudder. Here. Go right on. One more right rudder there. And now that we've made the airstrip, about 30 degrees.
Cherokee 26 Juliet, follow Cessna over the bend and portion, number 2, runway 26, cleared for the option. Cherokee 26 Juliet, follow Cessna over the bend and portion, number 2, runway 26, cleared for the option.
Watch that airspeed. A little more right, rudder.
Over the numbers, number 2, runway 26, clear for the option. Cherokee 3576 Juliet, Cameo Tower, how do you hear?
Hear good, 76 Juliet.
Cherokee 76 Juliet, runway 26, clear for the option.
76 Juliet. Oh man, didn't make Bravo again. Alright.
Cessna 215, turn left at Charlie, contact ground point 8, nice work.
Left at Charlie, contact ground, thank you very much. 215.
Diamond 1 Delta Sierra, parachute jet activities will be in effect in 4 minutes. If you fly eastbound over the 101 freeway, you should remain clear of the jump zone.
I'll stay over the 101, 1 Delta Sierra. Right, well, we're gonna talk to ground. Camera ground, Skyhawk 66215 is off at Charlie for the base of the tower.
66215, camera ground, taxi to the base tower via Foxtrot.
Taxi base tower via Foxtrot, 215. Woo! That's right. Woo! Camera ground, Skyhawk 66215 is at the base of the tower. We're going to taxi to CIA.
66215, camera ground, taxi to CIA via Foxtrot.
CIA via Foxtrot, 215. I don't know if you're behind me, but I go back. All right, get some air in here. It's hot. Slow down a little bit. Oh man, that was awesome. Yep, I can do this.